What up, guys? This is Chris, leader of the Black and Golden Breakers, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do the coffee grinder. I taught you guys about this for a couple of weeks now, but there's still some new people that are coming into this club not quite knowing what it is. So this video is partly for them and for the people that are still having a hard time with this. Even people that have mastered this can still watch this for minor techniques. So the start of a coffee grinder is basically standing onto your feet, down onto the ground. One of the ways to get down onto your ground is putting butt to heel on one leg, and then the other leg sticks out. Notice how when the leg is sticking out, my knee is facing 90 degrees. Or it could be more, as long as it's not less than 90 degrees, because when it's less than that, you're gonna get cramped. So now we have the standing, the resting position down. Here's the part where we start moving. Check this out. That's a coffee grinder. I'll show you it again. Now, there's a lot of techniques behind these two steps. All right, step one, I'm moving my leg across from the other side and it hits my other leg, right? That's the first step. When I'm doing this, your leg has to be straight at all times. And now once you hit this leg, it's your goal to jump over the leg that was going in a circle. And notice when I'm jumping, it's not out here, it's not out here, it's in a nice, comfortable position that has no gap at the front of my other leg. And notice that this leg is really close to the center of my body. So now you got the jumping part down, you got half of it down. Now the next half is the leg that's still going in a circular motion has to go back to you, but in a circle again. Watch, see? It's slowly coming back to me in a circle. And my legs are straight the whole entire time. All right? Once you get that down, go ahead and do about 3 or 4 of them. Maybe even 5. But eventually, once you start getting used to it, we're gonna kick it up a notch. All the people that are advanced think that they got it done. Here's what I want you to do now. Focus a little bit more on lifting your leg off the ground. Notice when I'm doing it, I'm not dragging my leg. Because if I drag my leg, it slows down my momentum. And another tip for you is where my arms are going. It definitely depends on the person, but I'm giving you these 2 options. Either go with this variation. Notice how I'm switching arms at a time. They're a little to the front, but not quite at the side. Or you can go like this. This one's not quite for me, but it's for some people out there. You're putting it more to the front and you're using 2 hands at the same time. Either one's cool with me as long as you're getting that nice jump in between, not getting your legs tangled when you jump over. When you're jumping over, there should be no touching in between the legs. See, it's all clean. And that's all I have to say. Thanks.